Are you making a picture? Sebastian, are you making a picture? You know, your nose is all red. Oh, hey, that's beautiful. Those are some beautiful fingerprints.
Ooh.
Why don't you use a stamp? Yeah, there's the teddy bear stamp. Stamp. Put that on the paper. Can you stamp it on the paper? No, that's not the paper. There you go. Oh, now it's all over your fingers.
Mama.
Okay, let's not touch anything. You've got a red nose.
No.